This is a polarizing filter. We use this filter on the camera and it does several things. It will darken the sky, it will remove the reflection from the snow and the water. Now the way we use this is we just screw it right onto the front of the lens. And it just screws right in there. Now when it screws in, it tightens up, but then you can still rotate the end of the filter. And this is how the polarization works. As you rotate this, it increases or decreases the polarization, which is either going to darken your sky or remove the reflection. Now if you're not using a single lens reflex and you're going to buy a camera, you want to try and make sure a camera you get has a threaded ring on the front so you can screw filters onto it. Now not many of these cameras today have them, but most of them have the ability to put an adapter on that looks like this, okay? And that mounts right onto the front of the camera, locks on just like that. Then you can take your filter and you can put the filter on, and then that will allow you to use the polarizer. Now if you have an optical viewfinder at the top here, you can't use that when you're using the polarizer. You have to use the viewing screen on the back of the camera, because that's the only way you'll be able to see the effect of the polarizer as you turn it. Okay, now as I turn the polarizer, we're going to see that it reduces the amount of reflection on the ice. So we can use the polarizer to control exactly how much reflection we have coming off from that surface. Now the other thing I can use the polarizer for is I can use it to darken the sky. So as I turn the polarizer, we're going to see how the sky becomes darker. And we can use this to bring out the detail in the sky and remove some of the reflection from the snow. Now the darkening sky aspect only works at a right angle to the sun.